you got no brains? Why did you say all that in front of him? See how upset we made him. He left. Why do you care? You anyways don't like him, right? It's not that, you idiot. It's just rude. And it's not like I know him. I just told it to you casually, and you made it sound like a statement from me. I need to apologize to him anyhow. I don't think he's going to return for the next event. All because of you, you duffer. After a few days, at the next event. Wow, you look great today. Looks like you have specially gotten ready for today's event. Yeah, whatever. You said while impatiently looking outside the gate. Whoa, who have you gotten this huge bouquet of roses for? RM? I don't know if he'll accept this or not, but I've actually gotten this for Taeyang. What? Wow, you changed your mind about him? You just shut up. And don't screw it up this time, please. Okay, I'll zip it, promise. After some time, all of the members entered and crowd went crazy as always. Everyone cheered and hooted. Your eyes kept looking for him, but you realized only 6 members had come and Taeyang was nowhere to be seen. Your smile vanished and you became really sad to know that he didn't show up. Is it because of me? Did I hurt his ego last time? Oh no, I shouldn't have said those things to that dumb Lily. I missed the last chance to apologize to him. Now I don't know when will I be able to get to see him again. After a couple of hours, the event got over. Later that night, you were sitting alone in your room and couldn't sleep whole night. You kept tossing and turning around thinking about him. Since you couldn't sleep, you started watching his V-Live sessions and somehow he looked so adorable to you. You smiled looking at his innocent smile and his childlike eyes giving those unfiltered real expressions. You felt in awe of him and started thinking, why am I missing him so bad? Am I getting unnecessarily obsessed with him? Maybe it's just a celebrity crush. I don't know how to define it, but the thought of probably never getting to see him again is scaring me. Is it crazy of me to think this way? After a few days, your phone rang. Hello? Hi, is that Ryan? Yes? Hi, I'm Jungkook. Whoever this is, please don't irritate. You hung up the phone. The phone rang again. Hey, it's really me. Don't you recognize my voice? Is it really you, Jungkook? Yeah, how are you? I'm good. Listen, do you have a boyfriend? What? No. Cool then. What are you doing tomorrow? Nothing much. Will you go out on a date with Taeyang? What? I know it sounds weird that I'm asking you on his behalf, but we all want to do this for him. Date? What is going on? Since the day he saw you, he can't stop thinking about you. All day long he misses you and wants to see you, but when we asked him to talk to you, he said that you liked RM. That's why he didn't show up for the last event also. Oh. I know he won't be able to ask you out himself because he's really shy, but he likes you very much. Will you please meet him tomorrow? You were on cloud 9 and couldn't control your happiness. Sure, I don't know what to say. Say yes. Oh my god, yes. Alright then, he'll see you tomorrow at NCOL Tower at 8 p.m. Make sure you don't tell anyone, okay? Okay. You were jumping on your bed literally like a child. Oh my god, I'm so happy that he's not angry with me. Wait a minute. Am I going out on a date with Kim Taeyang? Did Jungkook just tell me that he liked me? Could a star like Taeyang actually like an ordinary girl like me? Oh my god, it must be a dream. Thank you, God. Thank you. Next evening, you got ready in a stylish classy gown for the date. You put on some makeup and a nice perfume and reached the destination right at time. You looked around for him and noticed that he was already standing right next to the tower, wearing his simple regular clothes and no fancy tux. He smiled at you from the distance and started walking towards you. Hi. Hi. You look lovely. Thank you. You looked at him from top to bottom, feeling a bit conscious since he was so underdressed, whereas you were all decked up. His hands were in both of his pockets. He shrugged his shoulders and said, "See, I'm dressed so normally. Also, I was way before time, so you didn't have to wait for me. Or else you would have called me arrogant, self-obsessed, blah blah blah. Now do I qualify as a humble person to ask you out on a date?" You felt little embarrassed. "I'm really very sorry. I just said it very casually and my stupid friend blurted it out in front of you." "It's okay. It happens. You guys only see us on TV. What else can one expect?" "I'm sorry I misjudged you. You're a really nice person." "It's alright. Now tell me, what do you like to do on a date?" "I've never actually gone out on a date with a celebrity before. I hope I'm the last one you go out with." You smiled at this statement of his. "You have no idea how much I like you. You make me lose my breath when I'm around you. And today, you're looking exceptionally stunning." I can't believe my ears. You really do? I don't lie, ever. I've liked a lot of girls before for their looks, but no one has ever made me feel this jealous. When you spoke about Aram the other day, it literally killed me from inside. I didn't understand why a girl I barely know affected me so much. Now I'm sure it's not infatuation. You're talking of jealousy? I consider myself really lucky to get the chance to even talk to such a huge star who's a dream to every girl. I'm really fortunate. Thank you for this moment. He held your hands in his and pulled you towards himself. Please stop saying that. I've not come here as a celebrity or a star. I'm just meeting you as a normal guy, and I liked you for the same reason. I just want to get to know you, and I want you to get to know the real me." You nodded. Taeyang looked here and there and asked you, "I know usually it happens at the end of the date, but is it okay if I kiss you before the date begins?" "Huh?" He leaned forward and kissed your lips gently. 1,000 shivers ran through your body. The kiss was soft and gentle. You felt like you were in paradise. After some hesitation, you also kissed him back. And the way his lips started to move, it was evident that he was craving to make it last longer. He wrapped his hands around your waist, and you wrapped yours around his neck. You both continued kissing slowly and wished for that moment to not end ever.